Hey, this is Animals Turtle Falls, the pond. So, you see them turtles out there? Those are the only things that live in this pond. There's obviously fish, such as grass carp and bluegill, maybe some crappie, and perch. No, there aren't perch in here. Maybe there may be. And then there's the dragonfly. Then there's the very rare diamond-winged dragonfly from our other episode. So, we're going to start with facts about the turtle. So, fact one. Snapping turtles are notorious for biting, and there's a myth that says that until lightning strikes, the snapping turtle won't let go, but that isn't true.
So it's a myth.
Yeah, it's just a myth. Really, it would only take a crowbar and the snapping turtle to get it off.
Yeah.